I am to kill a kid. I'm proud that I have to.
Ah.
Tell me your secrets.
Okay, I poop, fart, and pee. What else do you need? Ah!
You come here.
Ow!
What do you know? What do you know, Blue Girl?
You want me to tell you what all my secrets is? Okay.
Hurry up. You only have a limited
I
time.
like chicken and...
You're useless.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
And that concludes our conclusion.